Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be using this Galaxy gel polish set to create a bonfire, like a, fireworks look for New Year. We're going to go with New Year, but you could do it anytime. So inside this kit, we've got a matte top coat. And actually, I'm going to show you them all because I might as well get them all out. So you've got a base coat, a shiny top coat, and a matte top coat. And actually I was amazed at how good this matte top coat was. Like, seriously, it's really, for the price, it's legit amazing. You also get two of these Galaxy colours. So you've got Galaxy 001 and Galaxy 002. I'm going to be using 001, which is the more purpley colour. It's like a purpley blue. So, sorry, 90 Galaxy 001 even. So look, it's like this. Oh, it looks so nice. So you get these in the pots as well, but these ones are already in the bottle, which makes life a lot easier because you already obviously have the brush in the bottle. So, and this is number 2 as well. So you can see number 2 as well. And then you also get 1348, which is a black gel polish. So you're going to need a black gel polish for your base. So before we go ahead and apply the Galaxy gel polish to the nail, we're going to use the black to become our base colour, basically. So if you're using this on natural nails, you will need to prep your nails and use your base coat, etc. before you apply the black. I'm going to apply 2 coats of black gel polish, and then over the top of that I'm going to go in with the Galaxy 001 gel polish. We're only going to use 1 coat of this. It looks really nice, even like as it is like that, without even moving the pigment colour, the coloured pigment around in it. It looks really nice already. I think it's a super nice colour, this one. So we're going to apply this to all 5 nails because they're basically going to be all the same, apart from the fireworks and the stars are going to be in slightly different places, but the background of the nails is going to be exactly the same, really. So just going to finish off the last one. So don't cure this in the lamp until you've got your magnet and moved the pigment around. So the set actually does come with a magnet, which is, I think it does. Anyway, there was a magnet in with my set, so I'm sure it must come with it. So this is the magnet, and then all you're going to do is just use the magnet to move the coloured pigment around in that gel polish. And I just kind of want a bluey middle, and I don't mind, like the outside can be black, and I kind of want the concentration of that pigment to be in the middle of the nail. I'm hoping I'm making sense, but depending on which way you have your magnet, have a play around with these, because depending on which way you have your magnet, like whether it's negative or positive or whatever, whatever the poles are called, it moves the pigment in different directions. So have a play around with it. But this is what I was left with. When you're happy with how it looks, cure it in the lamp, and then once you've done that, you won't be able to move that pigment around, so it will sort of set it all in place. Then I'm taking this white gel polish, which is from Modelones as well. I don't know what the colour was. I don't know if I showed it or not. But I'm going to use this to dab on some little white dots that are going to be like little clusters of stars. And I'm going to do bigger dots and smaller dots, so it looks like there are different size kind of stars. And then I'm going to use 3551. This is a silvery gel polish, so I'm going to use this to start creating the fireworks. So the look I'm going for is when the firework explodes, the colour sort of comes out in like a burst. I'm terrible at explaining things. So if you look what I'm doing, I brush the gel polish out from the centre, and it kind of looks like a palm tree, but not really, And then I'm going to use 1618. This is a gold one. So I'm going to do, as you can see, I've done lots of silver ones, and I'm going to do some gold ones now. You can do any colours you want, but I wanted to do silver and gold predominantly. This one actually, it went a bit wrong. This one looks a bit like Donald Trump's wig. Donald Trump's hair, this one. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just going to add some more on over the nails. And then I will cure them in the lamp. And then I'm going to go in with the matte top coat that came in the kit, which I really, really, really like. For a less expensive brand matte top coat, this one, I honestly knocked my socks off. This one did. So I'm going to go over all the nails with this. If you want to leave it shiny, you can. I'm sorry if you can hear noise in the background. My little boy's in the bath with his iPad on. Oh my god, he sounds like an old person in the bath watching his iPad. It just keeps him quiet for 5 minutes, bless him. So yeah, so you can go over with a shiny top coat. I want to make it matte, but this is what it would look like if it was shiny. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Ta-da! Then I'm going to take the shiny top coat, and I've got a little bit on a palette, and I'm just going to outline the fireworks so that these look nice and shiny, and hopefully show up a little bit more than the background. So I will just carry on doing that to all the others. Don't worry if you make a little bit of, don't worry if you're not completely neat, it doesn't matter too much, it's not the end of the world. But we want the fireworks to look shiny against the matte background. And then, once I've done, I'll show you a quick close-up. Here we go! This is the finish. I mean, I know it's really simple and it's really easy, but I just kind of wanted to show you that you didn't have to go too mad with, I don't know, fireworks are a little bit, I don't know. But anyway, I hope you like this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. I'll leave links to Modelones in the description box below because they have got a sale going on at the moment. So go and have a look. Use code Natalie00 and you will save an extra 10%. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.